Hello traders, it is my joy and honor to be here with you to remind you. If you would like to see Alpha Fibonacci system and software in the live markets, all you have to do is come to fibinstitute.com and fill in this form, and you will receive the invitation. You will witness Alpha Fibonacci software in the live market. I just finished teaching my students. Massive number of trades played out this morning. I stopped at number 14, where we reviewed micro trades on S&P and Dow, and where we reviewed long-term positions and day trading stocks, forex, and multiple other trades. But in this video, I would like to show you what to expect. As you can see instantly in the live market, the power of the Alpha Fibonacci software, simplicity and precision to day trade futures. All of this played out live when I was with my students this morning, and tomorrow morning when I open Trading Room at 9:25 AST, this is what you will witness without any delays. I choose to project software on 5-minute chart, which also comes with trade recognition software and multi-market scanner. This is a single green alert as you're witnessing in the live markets, but single green alert as short reaches reversal zone constitute weakness. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader understands the power of at least two alerts that constitute power intelligent trader would trade. Here's the software I choose to project on 2-minute chart on Dow futures as well. When traders signing up for the course and looking to practice as much as possible, Dow allows you to trade multiple trades 4 times more than S&P. So as you're witnessing precision projected on 2-minute chart, when long trade reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, trade reverses completely in the short direction, correct? And when price reaches reversal zone to the downside, long reverses in the opposite direction and collapses again from reversal zone. And again, all of this played out when I was teaching my students this morning. Trades played out on multiple charts. I choose to convert software to minute chart on Dow, and again I can convert this right now on 1. And again, when I bring to your attention S&P, I can convert this chart to 3, to 2, to any chart I choose, as multiple trades played out this morning. So when you're witnessing this in the live markets without any delays, you start seeing why traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci software today trade futures on NinjaTrader. However, since every single one of my systems I develop based on pure price, this is identical Alpha Fibonacci levels you can install on any platform you choose, and you can ask me questions in the trading room. When Tesla reached reversal zone and Tesla selling off, this is a chart present in the trading room for years. So day trading is not your cup of tea. Trade stocks. Here's Amazon, stock and frozen, key level to the downside is here, but you're witnessing in the trading room the power of this. How to buy the bottom on any stock you choose, and ask me questions. Here's the power of the Alpha Fibonacci trend inception on NVIDIA. Here's NVIDIA now. We'll be testing 139 next, as NVIDIA sold off prior from key Alpha Fibonacci level. Traders trading stocks in US and more than 58 countries on platforms I never even heard of. In US, on Fidelity, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, MT4, MT5, commodities, oil, of course. This level is key today on oil, and I constantly bring major news on oil or stocks or other instruments to the trading room. Euro. This is the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system that allows you to buy the bottom of euro despite catastrophic events in Europe. And as you're witnessing in the live markets, this is where another multiple long entries played out on euro. And this is where euro keeps selling off from. Right now, this is a key level on euro where buyers came from during Middle East crisis. And again, This is the reason traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci system as strategic intelligent chess that allows you to buy the bottom and sell the top, no matter if you trade US dollar or euro or pound or not. So day trading is not your cup of tea. Use system on stocks, on forex, on Bitcoin, on crypto. As proprietary system I've been building for the last 20 years, massive numbers of systems and strategies I have developed apply to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. Software is never a requirement and not present. These are the levels you install on any chart you choose, on any platform you choose, as long as platform has Fibonacci retracement, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. And again, if you want to day trade futures and you are on NinjaTrader 8, it comes with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. So again, when you come to the website fibinstitute.com and you see a pop-up to the trading room, simply fill in the information and you will receive the invitation when trading room is open. And please review all the information on the website. As proprietary system traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. Husbands bringing their wives to the course, friends bringing their friends, traders retiring trading Alpha Fibonacci system, trading futures, stocks, forex, crypto. And when you view students' performance and listen to traders' podcasts in the trading room, it is your opportunity to ask me questions. And again, fathers bringing their children to the course who can trade Alpha Fibonacci system, and complete beginners can trade it, anyone can. We're setting up very shortly for annual Trading Bootcamp. Annual Trading Bootcamp, when you come to the website, highlighted in the top section, and also shows the value of the bootcamp $27.77 is included at no extra cost to new February and March students. Private mentoring includes group courses, options 3 and 4. Option 4 is the most desirable option with bootcamp savings $10,000. Group course option 2 savings $8,000. So please review all of this. Come to the trading room and ask me questions. Simply come to fibinstitute.com, and if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. info@fibinstitute.com or +1 925 257 4298. Thank you, traders, so much. I look forward to seeing you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning, where you have opportunity to witness Alpha Fibonacci system and software in the live markets and ask me questions about instruments of your choice. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the trading room, or pick up the phone and call, or send me an email.